What's up, amigos? Welcome to the Ink Builder. Today I'm finally fixing my little extension cord that I could reclaim these screens that I need to do the 2-color halftone print. So amigos, so yesterday I was trying to fix my little extension cord, but I had no luck. I didn't have time to go to the hardware store, but today I finally squeezed some time at work to go, and I finally bought my little outlet. And where's that? Some plugs. Real cheap, man. I was surprised. This actually cost, total price was 32 pesos, which is like around, I could say, like $1.60, like around there for all of this right here. Now, this is an outlet. It's not an outlet for the wall. It's more like an outlet for an extension cord. But it was, let me set this up real quick so I can reclaim my screens. Okay, this one's actually for my exposure unit. I'll just leave it here. I'll plug in the new one to the exposure unit. Make sure it works. Okay, we're good. We're good. Just gonna make sure that this is real tight on this end of the part because it looks real weird. Start reclaiming. As you can tell, it's starting to get dark. Look at all that air pollution, man. This is the only thing that sucks about doing everything after I come home from work, because as you can tell, the sun's going down. And for example, right now I won't be able to expose, not even coat my screens, because I won't have time. And even if I try to, make it quick, coat some screens, if I burn the screen and it doesn't come out correctly, I have to wait till the next day to reclaim that screen and coat all over again. So this is what sucks about not having enough screens, as well. Not enough, actual chemicals to do the actual, reclaiming, and not enough time about having a day job. That's when you know it's ready. Okay, so I finally got done reclaiming my screens. I didn't record the last screen because it was already getting too dark and you could barely see anything. So I decided to stop filming, but it was only one screen left, nothing important. So I reclaimed, what's it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screens. Even though I only need 2, but I always like to have extra screens, laying there for extra in case when I expose one screen, if it doesn't go right, I want to, reclaim that screen. I will have a screen already clean. So the only thing left to do is do a better job on the tutorial I'm going to do where I separate the 2 color for the halftone print. That way you guys can follow along better. As well, once I do that and print the films, I'm going to coat the screen and hopefully the Durometer that I have still works, still there. I haven't bought anything new. I have no idea how many months is there, and I did want to go to the screen printing supply store to buy more, but now they close early. Before they used to close at 8 p.m., but now they close like around like 2 or 3 p.m. because there's no sales for them. Like right now, the whole COVID-19 situation is affected a lot of businesses, and for them, their sales are down because a lot of screen printers, they're not printing a lot of things because nobody's working, nobody needs uniform, nobody needs anything. So I'm going to see, hopefully, I'm going to take a risk. I'm just going to use that Durometer and hopefully it works. If not, then I have to go to the screen supply store and buy the Durometer. I'm going to try to squeeze some time from work to go over there because I barely had enough time to go to buy those little, what are they called, the outlet for my extension cord, and that's nearby. And the screen great. The screen printing supply store is in downtown, and right now in downtown, like there are streets that are closed to block entrance in the market because the whole situation again. So I haven't been down there, so I don't know how it's like. So yeah, so that's all. Just some reclaiming some screens. I'm gonna try to post as much as I can. That way I will keep you guys, waiting for me to upload a video. Even though it's just vlogs like this. Well, I don't know what else to say. So I'll see you guys next time, amigos.